This short video will provide an overview on how to install a Perimify system. Carefully read all instructions before getting started. Perimify kits come with everything you need for most installations. Kits are available with 1, 2, or 3 APMs. All APMs come pre-linked to the hub in the box. APMs are available in white or black. Each APM has an alignment indicator on one side. This indicator must point toward the gate when installed. Using the included 3/4 inch self-tapping screws, install the APM on the fence post near the latch. Each magnet has an arrow which must point directly at the alignment indicator on the APM. A gap of 3/4 of an inch or less between the edge of the magnet and the edge of the APM is ideal. If an overhang is required on the magnet, insert the included plugs into the holes above and below the arrow. Using the included self-tapping 1-inch screws, install the magnet on the gate, ensuring that the arrow and the APM indicator are aligned with a 3/4 inch gap. To test the system with the aid of an assistant, plug in the hub and ensure the audio is enabled.